Hi, my name is Mario Villa, and this is my experience with the ABA 628 course. When the course began, I had set 3 different goals that I hoped to achieve by the end of the course. The first goal was to achieve my desired score of getting 14 cards correct and 0 wrong for each SAFMEDS deck. Secondly, I wanted to achieve a perfect or near perfect score for my final for the class. Thirdly, my last goal was to apply the terminology that I learned from the course with my work as a behavior technician. The first goal that I had set regarding my SAFMEDS cards was fully met. Within around 2 weeks, I was able to achieve my score of getting 14 cards correct and 0 wrong for each deck. In many cases, I was also able to get 15 cards correct and 0 wrong. As it stands now with my deck 3, I currently can achieve a score of 15 cards correct and 0 wrong. I have been applying the same principles that I had previously applied from my previous courses regarding my SAFMEDS cards, and I found that in order to continue achieving my goal with the SAFMEDS cards, I simply must apply consistency with my study methods from the previous courses. Secondly, when it came to the pretest and the midterm for the course, I started out getting about 6 questions out of 22 correct for the pretest, which was to be expected since I wasn't yet familiar with the terminology. By the time the midterm came around, I wasn't quite able to achieve my desired score that I had hoped to get, which is probably around 80%. It was closer to 55%, I believe, for my midterm. I hope that by the end of by the time the final comes around, I can perhaps increase it to a minimum of 90% correct for the final. When it came to my third goal for the course, I was able to apply many of the terms we discussed during the discussion. So I worked as a behavior technician. I've given several examples of how I've been able to apply all the several terminology and all the terminology from the course to my work as well. So I would say, as it stands now, I'm slowly but surely making my way towards completing my goals, and I hope to achieve them as the course progresses. Thank you.